In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Figma. Masking is a really useful technique that lets you show only a specific part of an image or layer using a shape as a kind of window. This is great for things like profile photos, thumbnails, or just giving your designs a more polished look. I'll walk you through the basic process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to create a clean, circular image mask on your own. First, make sure you have your image already placed on the canvas in Figma. This could be any photo or graphic you want to crop into a shape. Once that's ready, look at the top toolbar and find the shape icon. This icon usually shows a rectangle or another basic shape. Go ahead and click on that shape icon to open the list of available shapes. From the drop-down that appears, choose Ellipse. The Ellipse tool allows you to draw circles and ovals, which are commonly used for masks. After selecting Ellipse, click and drag on your canvas to draw the shape. If you want a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while you drag. Try to make the ellipse roughly the size you want your final masked image to be. Next, you need to position your shape and your image together. Move the ellipse over the image so that it's covering the exact area you want to keep visible. At this point, the order of the layers is important. In the Layers panel, make sure the image layer is above the shape layer. If it's not, simply drag the image layer above the shape layer in the list. This stacking order will affect how the mask is applied. Now, select both layers. You can do this by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command on a Mac, and clicking on the image layer and the ellipse layer in the Layers panel, or directly on the canvas. Once both are selected, right-click on the selection. From the context menu that appears, choose Use as Mask. Figma will immediately apply the mask, and you'll see your image cropped into the ellipse shape you created. You can still move the image within the mask